Hi everybody, it's Brian with the LiftMaster team. Today I'm excited to share that coming your way soon will be our new line of Security Plus 3.0 accessories, the standard, max, and universal options. So today I'm going to take you through what the details are, what's changing and why, and what you'll do differently when you're working with the products in the field. First, all our 3.0 products are now operating on Bluetooth technology rather than relying on radio frequencies, meaning we've eliminated some of the challenges you all have relayed to us related to radio frequency interference and the need to switch frequencies during setup. With Bluetooth, you'll see a seamless door opening experience with one-time button press and full remote range, resulting in a more positive customer experience. Second, and most importantly, 3.0 provides more secure, two-way communication from remote to opener. So when you press the remote button, it sends a signal to the opener, and the opener sends a confirmation signal back to the remote. Then the garage door opens. If any of your customers have expressed concerns over security or have asked you about the risk of code grabbers or something similar they've seen in the news, 3.0 will help alleviate those concerns. Finally, we're giving you and your customers more control and customization over the accessories themselves. The products now have a new QR code on the back, so when the GDO is connected to the MyQ app, you can scan the QR code to program the remote and unlock more features and options in the MyQ app. You can name your remotes so you could get the MyQ app notifications showing which remote opened the garage door. You can see battery status, get alerts when your remote battery is running low, and more. The new features give customers more customization options, convenience, flexibility, and control. All right, now that we know what's new, let's talk about compatibility. This is our new set of standard accessories. These program the same as the legacy products you're used to, but now they all feature the MyQ logo. Just like with our legacy products, our new standard accessories are only going to be compatible with the new GDOs that we're launching later this year. Openers with a new white Learn button. These standard accessories will have an amber LED light on both the keypads and the transmitters. Our new 3.0 Max accessories also feature the MyQ logo and will work with our new openers. And they're all backwards compatible with most legacy LiftMaster openers, except for LiftMaster openers with green Learn buttons, made between 1993 and 1997. You can tell they're Max accessories if they have the red LED light. Finally, our new 3.0 Universal accessories have the LiftMaster Powered by MyQ logo on them and show a blue LED light on keypads and transmitters. They're also compatible with all current, legacy, and new LiftMaster openers, and are compatible with various competitor openers as well. Let's talk about programming. When you're in the field, you're going to find that keypad programming 3.0 accessories is really similar to what you're used to. But programming the 3.0 remotes with a legacy opener will be a little different. Just as quick and simple, but different. We have demo videos out now for programming each set of remotes and keypads. You can find them on the LiftMaster YouTube channel. But I want to take you through one programming example now to give you a feel for the update. I have a Max here. You know it's a Max again because the LED light is red. It's always going to be red on a Max. With the new 3.0 accessories, we've really simplified the programming process. We've eliminated the need for you to know the number of button clicks required to find the right frequency to pair your remote to whichever opener you're working with. Let me show you the simplified process. First, I'm going to hold down the two small buttons. You'll only need to wait about 6 seconds for that LED light to go solid. When you have a solid light, release the buttons. Put the opener into Learn mode by pushing the Learn button. Since this is a legacy opener, the Learn mode button is yellow. Then press the button you want to program 2 times for the Max or 3 times for the universal. The red LED light is going to blink, the operator flashes and clicks, and then the opener will run. Be aware, there may be up to a 15-second wait for Max and up to a 45-second wait if you're programming a universal before the opener runs. So just be patient. Once it runs, hit any button within 3 seconds to lock in the code, and that's it. So there you have it. Lots of similarities to the current programming process. Still quick and easy, just with a few small changes. Your customers are gonna love the new Security Plus 3.0 accessories with the new look and feel, the added security and enhanced control they'll be getting. But before your customers can begin enjoying our new products and their enhanced features, we want to make sure that you are comfortable with the new accessories so you're ready in the field and able to provide your customers the expert level service they expect. Check out the LiftMaster YouTube channel for how-to videos for the standard, max, and universal transmitters and keypads, which will be in your hands very soon. And watch for more details from LiftMaster about our new openers coming later this year. If you have any questions about Security Plus 3.0, please reach out to your sales rep or to our technical support team. We're here to partner with you, answer your questions, and ensure you have everything you need to smoothly transition to the new line of 3.0 products.